Hey guys, so lately my hair has been really dry and not taking well to any products, so I decided to try this Aztec clay mask on my natural hair. So these are the only ingredients you need: Aztec clay and apple cider vinegar. And also I'm using a non-metallic spoon and a random plastic bowl that I had in my cupboard. As you can see, I'm not really making any precise measurements per se. I'm just eyeballing it and seeing how much I would need for my hair length. You can definitely alter it if you have shorter or longer hair. And I'm just going to mix it until I get a nice smooth consistency that I like. You will see me spraying water on my hair before I put the clay on throughout this video. That's my little spray bottle that you see. Because most videos that I did watch before doing this, they did say to do it on wet or damp hair. I'm not sure why. I guess because the clay does get really hard really quickly. I'm going to wrap my hair now and leave the clay in for 45 minutes. After the timer is done, I'm going to rinse my hair under the shower with warm water and follow up with a deep conditioner. And these are my results. Immediately after washing it out in the shower, I could tell how soft my hair was, and after deep conditioning, my hair was so moisturized. I would definitely recommend this.